Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I'm on my regular routine. Every morning I drop my grandson off at the daycare and then I head from there on over to the walking trail. I guess we had some pretty bad storms last night come through the southeast. There's some tornadoes in Georgia. I don't know what time it came through upstate South Carolina, but it did wake me up just barely. And I heard all the thunder and the lightning and the high winds and the heavy rains. Went back to sleep. Branches all across the yard and the sidewalks, and so it must have been pretty bad last night. It's going to be 78 degrees today. It's going to be cloudy all day, but spring has sprung. Look at these beautiful cherry trees. Last time I showed you these buds, like on the tips of those branches, they were brown, looked hard and lifeless. And there's green popping out all over our winged elm now. I'll do my best to show you this beautiful, gorgeous prairie crab apple. That is a gorgeous tree. Wow, that's a great looking car. Before we get a closer look at it, let's go up here. There's a red bud tree over here, but there's one next to it. It's got some kind of orange flowers on it. I want to see what that one is. We have red bud trees everywhere, lining all the roads. What is this tree here? Oh, it's one of the maples. Let me try to consult my plant app and see which maple tree that is. Red maple. I took and made this multicolor Cobra weave lanyard. It's just taking two different colors of paracord and heating both ends up until it's melted and then sticking them together. But I will post that link right there. Let's go ahead and practice some. Let's try some feathering. I do have that piece of dry tulip poplar that was in the house because everything else out here is too wet to use. Let's go ahead and get started. See if it'll split this way. I'll get you a little bit closer. All right, that'd be enough to catch the spark. Let's make some shavings now. And that'll be enough shavings. Let's try some scrapings now. This is Tulip Poplar, and your softer woods don't really make good scrapings. I think the harder woods scrape better, but you can still get plenty of scrapings off of it. When I scrape my ferro rod, the tip of my knife hits the table first. So that's going to dampen the blow to the tinder. You know, it's not going to knock the tinder around as much as it would have. And if it did knock the tinder around, everybody makes such a big deal. Oh, you need to drag back, you need to drag back. If you want to drag your ferro rod back against the knife, you do it that way, but I like to pin tinder down and cast sparks down towards the tinder. Now we'll let that get established, and then we'll go ahead and throw it into the hobo stove. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one.